Question 7 is a question on changing units. In part A, we've been asked to change 8,000 centimetres cubed to metres cubed. We're dealing with a volume here. So this 8,000 is the result of my multiplying this length by this length by this length. And each of those lengths will have to be a conversion from centimetres to metres. And to do that, we have to divide the measured distance x by 100. This also will be divided by 100, and so will this distance. So as far as the volume is concerned, we've got to divide 8,000 by 3 lots of 100. So this is divided by 100, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 100. So if I write down 8,000 and put several noughts in the front, this is our decimal point at the moment. I've got to hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the new decimal point ends up here. So that 8,000 centimetres cubed is equal to 0.008 metres cubed. And that's the answer to part A. Okay, part B. We've got 180 kilometres per hour, and we need to convert that to metres per second. To convert from kilometres to metres, we must multiply 180 by 1,000. Now hours to seconds. If we're going to change per hour to per second, we have to divide by 60 to get it into per minute, and then divide by another 60 to get it to per second. So our original 180 will be multiplied by 1,000, but divided by 60 times 60. Certainly don't need a calculator yet, because that 0 will go with that 0 will go with that 0, and the 6 will go into 18 3 times. And now the 3 will go into the 6 2 times. So after all that, we've just got 100 divided by 2, which is equal to 50 metres per second. And that's your answer.